Today is the day we're going to explode the air with these fabulous rockets.
Okay guys, it's so dark and I can't wait. So we're going to get out sparklers. Why isn't it working?
Happy New Year. Albo świeczkę przynieś. Tam są świeczki.
Gorący jest, nie pod...
Fireworks.
Wiesz to, żeby się nie stało. Od nogi, nie?
Strzelimy jedną rakietą.
Guys, we're in with the big fireworks. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. I think, is it going up? Come on, come on. Still putting it in the ground. Oh, it's in the ground. Now we just need to light it. No blow in the air. Oh. 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 Run! Oh! That was awesome! Okay, we're not going for the big ones now. We're going for the little one. It's going to be a little one. Wait for it. Wait. Oh, it's raining. Are you kidding me? Does it have to be rain? Why not snow? Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa. We're going for another small one, I guess. Yes, another small one. Oh, I'm under the roof. Oh, there's smoke everywhere.
Look.
Wow.
Patrz teraz. Jest maleńka.
Again, wow. You can't see, but there's big fireworks there. There's two left because we launched one already. As you can see, this is the firework. Dad's going for it again. Okay, it's lighting.
A big one. Well, we'll see.
It's the big
Going
one.
to be in the air in a minute.
Whoa! Oh,
That was a good one.
they're big. We're going for the little ones again. Okay. Whoa. Okay. It's lighted, I guess. It's lighting. Sparkle. Sparkle. Yeah, but that was actually like a small firework. It was like this tall.
Konkurencja.
I know that's big. I'll go for a little one again. It's big. Wow. Okay, so this is how the big one the big one looks like. So now we're launching another big one. Let's launch it. Oh. Okay, there's the big one. Oh, that's beautiful and loud. That's just so loud. This is going to be awesome. It's in a plant pot. Come on, just light the firework. It's gone dark. Oh, light again. Oh. There's this one. Okay, it stopped burning. There we go.
Daj to tak klucz.
There we go.
Daj mi.
Oh, yes. That's pretty big. Yeah, there's loads of smoke right now. Oh. This is awesome. This is actually amazing. So look at this big one and these two small ones. Like this one's small, this one's medium, and this one's huge. They're still going. Even more. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at it. There's so much smoke. Got my sister. She's so scared. It looks like it's burning, but it's not. Whoa. Look. Yeah. I guess that's the end of the episode. Okay guys, I think that's the end of the video. Subscribe if you want more fireworks. Bye! Anyway, my birthday's in February 13, 2017. It's coming. We wish you a happy new year. And don't forget to subscribe to join team. Bye.